Morning YouTube, Trev here, something or nothing. You can see here, I've got my cooking bits. So I thought what I'm going to do today is going to cook my breakfast out here in the garden on my Trangias. I've got my Trangia Mini kit here. I thought we were going to try to do an omelette. So I'm going to fry up a couple of sausages, then beat up an egg, throw in some cheese, some bacon, some onion, and do myself a tasty omelette. So first of all, let's get one of my Trangias set up so we can start frying some sausages. So put in the fuel. Let it sink in. Oh, it doesn't look like that's been cleaned out since last time. See that? Yeah. Bear with me and I'll just go and give that a clean. Okay, so I've got that going in there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get my sausages cooking on there. So let's get it lit. It's going. Can't see it in this light, but I can definitely feel the heat rising there. Some oil. Don't need too much. And we use the lid just to fry up some sausages. Dip a sausage in, a bit of onion on there. Now prep the food at home. Obviously I'm at home, you can see I'm right here at my home. But if I was going to take this out, I'd have prepped before as well, because it's easier to chop up your onions and that at home. But yeah, the sausages are going. Anyway, let's get something out to turn them around. Not turning. They've gone curly, a bit annoying, but I'll just use there like that. What you can see here, I've chopped up onions and some bacon, and then I'll get another pot here, which I'm going to mix me egg and that into. Yeah. Crack my egg. Whisk that up. Right, what we'll do then, we'll add the bacon into here, to this pan. We'll fry that on that same pan. Right, it's frying up now. Right, so we've got the egg beaten in here. Let's add some cheese. Mix that all together. It's cooking now, the bacon, the sausage and the bacon. Smelling nice. What we can do while that's going, let's get my jet boil out, boil up some water, make me coffee. It's clean as well. The jet boil set there. Fill up my cup of water so we're not wasting too much of the gas. Tip that into there. Get the lid on. He's off. Right, this is coming up nice now, the bacon and the onions. Smelling really tasty. In a minute, we'll move the sausages out, put them over there. Get these spread about. Spoon in the egg. Even it out. Spread it around. Stick them on top. Well, my kettle's done now. It's all about timing. Got my sachet crappuccino. Oh, half my cheese isn't come out there, look. It's cooking well, it's going well. Let's get that folding over. We can now put the sausages back next to the finish for a minute. It's cooking fairly hot. Let's get a simmering on it. And make sure it's cooked right through. Let's try turn it around. Yeah, it's getting a bit black underneath, falling apart a bit. What I have forgot to pack is ketchup, so I might just cheat and go and get myself a bit of that in a minute, which I'll go and get now while that's just simmering on there. Do it. And I'd say that's about done there, so let's take that off. There, a bacon and onion and cheese omelette with sausages. Bit of red, cappuccino, and we're good to go. Bon appetit. That's not bad if I do say so myself. There you go. Bit of outdoor Trangia cooking. Maybe I'll think of something more to cook whilst I've got some time on my hands, and maybe you'll see me again soon. Or if you've got any recipes, suggestions, what you like to cook, please leave them in the comments below. And thank you ever so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Good.